Hi mate, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. I post video every day, but to be honest, yesterday I couldn't post video because I'm very exhausted. So this video is the second video of today. Uh, on today, yeah, second video. Today I posted two videos. If you happen to watch today's first video, please watch it. It is just for output new vocab, so it's kind of boring for some people, I think. It's not necessary, it's not essential. You don't need to watch it. But in this video, I want to talk more interesting thing. It is about culture shock, uh, especially transportation. The difference of transportation between Japan and Australia. Uh, Before moving to today's topic, make sure to hit subscribe button and bell notification and hit like button. It's very good my motivation. If you do that, I can continue my motivation and I can continue this routine. Please do that. I do appreciate it. Let's get started. Today's topic. Okay, transportation difference. First one. Uh, Even if you stay in Brisbane, Brisbane is the biggest city in Australia, but in Brisbane, some some station don't have gate at station. It's weird. It this is Brisbane, third biggest city, but like a central station of course has central station of course central station has gate and the next station one step they have, but second step central station, Roma Street station and Milton station. If you go to west side, the west, there is a Milton. The Milton station doesn't have a gate. I want to explain why is it so strange, so culture shock, because there isn't a gate and there is just the the tablet, no tablet, touch panel, the panel to touch, like, oh, you have to touch it with your, you yes, like you have to touch your transportation card. It is called Go Card. You have to touch at the touch panel, be because you have to pay. And in Australia, I think almost 100% people don't use cash, just transportation card. Yeah, maybe you can use cash. You can buy ticket by cash, but it's not common. Yeah, Australia is very cashless culture, and so you have to touch it. And but for example, For instance, if you go to Albion is Central Station, uh, Fordishid Valley, Bowen Hills, Albion. It's a north. There is the like, Albion station. The Albion station doesn't have a gate, and Milton doesn't have a gate. So if you go to Albion from Milton, there isn't. You don't get you don't through go through gate. So there's a big problem. For example, maybe if you think about it, if you think about this, you can go Albion free of charge because there isn't a gate, both of them, right? So, for instance, at Milton, you don't touch, Pete, you don't do that, and then you take a train, and you arrived at Albion, then you don't touch. It's free, you know. You can go to Albion free of charge. There is a problem, I think. But if you go to Central Station from Milton, and at Milton, if you don't, if you do not touch, and then you go to the Central Station, at the Central Station there is a gate, so you have to touch, 100%. If you do that, if you touch one station only, one station only, you have to pay fine. It's gonna be $10. You have to pay. So it's fine. It's illegal, so that's why you have to pay $10. But if you touch both of them, you just pay $3.55. It's just it's a fee, train fee, a fare, a train fare. Yeah, right. So this is a trick. So if you go to a station which doesn't have a gate from a station which doesn't have a gate, you can go, you can transport free. It could be you can do it because there isn't gate. It's a culture shock. I think in Japan every station has a gate. Yeah, I think so. For example, if you go to countryside in Japan, you cannot use transportation card, so you just buy ticket and a face to face, and there is a that person, like the station staff, and 100% at the gate, and then you you give you give the ticket to station staff, and the station staff like do stamp like that. Yeah, but very very super countryside. If you go to super countryside in Japan, there isn't anybody. So maybe you can you can you can transport free of charge. It's of course it's illegal. It's illegal, but actually on the system we can do it in Brisbane from Milton to Albion. You can go there free. Yeah, it doesn't make sense. My explanation is not enough. It's not like it's not perfect. Yeah, it's kind of culture shock. Because Brisbane is the third biggest city. I think even Milton Albion, they should have gates. It's weird. Yeah. Okay, alright. So, station gate. It's a kind of culture shock. Yeah. Alright. Thank you guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit subscribe button and bell notification and hit like button. If you do that, I can continue this my routine. If you don't do that, I will quit this routine. I will give up my English study journey. Maybe it could be. Please hit subscribe button. Thank you guys. Peace out.